What factors are considered in determining child custody and visitation? Hi, my name is Hait. I'm an American-Israeli attorney with offices located throughout Israel, and our offices specialize in family law. So the determination of child custody and visitation is a complex process that aims to prioritize the best interests of the child or children involved. While the specific factors that are considered can vary, I'd like to list some of the common factors that are usually taken into account by the courts when they determine these issues. So first of all, beware. It's always the child's best interest. Primary consideration is always going to be the best interest of the child. Courts are going to evaluate all factors in light of what will provide for the most stable, loving, and supportive environment for the child. The court will look at the child's age and development needs and specific needs of any child. Younger children might need more frequent and consistent contact with both parents, while the older ones might have their own preferences considered. Physical and emotional well-being, physical and emotional health of each parent and the child are evaluated. The court will consider the ability of each parent to provide a safe and nurturing environment. The parent-child relationship. The court will assess the existing relationship between each parent and the child, and that will include the quality of the bond, the involvement of each parent in the kids' lives, and the ability to meet the child's emotional needs. Parenting abilities, the ability of each parent to provide for the child's needs, including the ability to meet the child's physical, emotional, and educational needs. Stability and consistency. Courts generally value stability in a child's life. Factors like stable home environment, school, community, social connections can all play a role. Co-parenting ability. The willingness and the ability of the parents to cooperate and communicate with each other in the child's well-being is crucial. Courts often encourage arrangements that promote healthy co-parenting relationships. Of course, the parent's work schedule and availability. A parent's ability to provide caregiving time can impact custody and visitation decisions. Also, history of caregiving, right? The historical roles of each parent of caregiving and decision-making of a child can be relevant. Domestic abuse or violence, right? Any history of domestic violence or abuse or neglect can significantly impact the custody decisions because the safety of the child is paramount. The child's preference, in some cases, especially with older kids, the court may consider the child's preferences, particularly if the child is mature enough to express a reasoned opinion. Any relocation plans, if one parent plans to relocate, the impact on the child's relationship with the other parent and the overall well-being will be considered. Parents' willingness to foster the child's relationship with the other parent. Many times the court will look favorably on parents who are supportive of the child's relationship with the other parent. And finally, extended family and support systems. The involvement of extended family members, like grandparents, can be a factor in some cases. But it's important to note that the weight given to each factor can be based on the unique circumstances in the case and on which court you're in, the family court or the rabbinic court. So consulting with an experienced family law attorney in your area is essential to understand how these factors apply to your specific situation. If you have questions about this or any other family law related issues, please feel free to pick up the phone and call me. Our phone number appears on the screen in front of you.